Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to put the second monitor on the left side in Windows. We see that we have two monitors connected. Depending on how we have physically connected the monitors, we will have one behavior or another between them in the system. In this case, we see that we can drag the elements of the left monitor to the right, thus extending the displays. But we may prefer that the effect when extending is different and does so to the other side. To configure the second display on the left, we will do the following. Go to an empty desktop space and right-click. Then tap on Display Settings. In the new window, make sure that in the list of how the displays behave, you have selected the option to extend these displays. Then we look at the top where the current distribution of the monitors appears. To put the second display on the left, we will left-click on Display 2 and holding it down, we will drag it in front of Display 1. At that time, you can let go. Next, we save the changes by clicking on Apply. If we now test the behavior of our displays, we will see that when moving through them is different and the monitor has changed its position. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. If you want to modify the behavior between displays again, go back to the display settings and modify the established order again. Apply the changes. We will see how now we will have another behavior when it comes to extending the screens. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.